Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes fix D3DX943DLL is missing error from your computer. Open any web browser. Type D3DX943DLL download. Click the link from the dllfiles.com website. Check your system is 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. My system is 64-bit operating system, so I am downloading 64-bit version DLL file. Extract the file to desktop. Type folder option in search bar, click view hidden files and folders. Open my computer, click C drive. Windows. System 32. Move the DLL file to System 32 folder. Restart your PC. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.